Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys. This is Leena Thawani from Healings from Within. So, great to see all of you back. Hope you all had very good Diwali and you all must have enjoyed your vacations with your parents and relatives. Okay, we've got so many people coming up. That's very nice. Wow, that's so great. So cute. So many already online. Okay. So now, okay, Shakshi, Ayush, very nice. Shakshi, good afternoon. Very good afternoon. Hope you all had very good Diwali and everything nice, looking positive and beautiful. Thank you, Pragati. I love you. You always give me positive comments. Yes, that's great. So I think there are so many people already there on my live session. Very glad to see so many people. Now let me repeat two things very clearly to all of you. Since we are live, let me tell you that when you're framing your question, please make sure not mixing two questions into one. Today I'm absolutely free, so today we can have a longer sessions also. So I'll try and give you good answers, and if possible I try to give you remedies also. So let us start the sessions. Okay, that's great. Good to see. So we will, anybody posting question here, or else I already have so many questions. And first question is from Pranshil. Okay, Pranshil, ma'am, I'm manifesting marriage with a specific person. Will I succeed? Okay, let me see. Pransh, I'm answering to your question. Let me see. It is Pranshil. You're manifesting marriage with a specific person. Will it be? Okay, so let's start with the tarot. Pransh, I can see your card, but for time being you've got 8 of cup. Let me show you the card. This is your 8 of cup. This is your current energies. Now when you have 8 of cup, like it says you are manifesting on this person, but you will have to take somebody's advice. Maybe you'll have to think twice before taking any decisions right now. I think you need to give him some more time, and with time maybe you will succeed, but I don't see very early. I don't see the card very positive in first few months, but later on the relationship is really going to be good because of your future card is your Justice. That means whatever you must have manifested is going to fall in place. So I hope, Pranshil, I could answer to your question. Okay, now who is the other one? Meghna, I haven't received my visa. Okay, next one I'm taking as Megha. She says that I haven't received my visa yet. I'm waiting for it from a very long time. When will I receive it? Okay, Megha, let us see when will you receive your visa. Dun 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 dun. Megha, your cards are so positive cards. You've got Ace of Wand and you've got 10 of Cups. So definitely by Jan, you will be getting something positive coming in your way, 100% sure. You have to update me on this because your cards are really positive. This is your current energy and this is your next month energy. So both the energies are very positive. So I'm combining these two and I'm trying to give you the positive answer. So let us wait and watch, and do inform me whether you got your visa or not. Okay, thank you. So now whom do we have? Okay, now here I will take the question who is online. Okay. Ankita, what is your question? Will Mehul marry Ankita? When is it happening? Okay, let me see. Ankita, you asked me this question earlier also, na? Let me just check. Will Mehul marry Ankita? And when is it possible? Ankita, I'm sorry, I don't see any positive card right now. I see there are lots of delays. Maybe there is some female anywhere around Mehul of he may be listening to her a lot, or any lady, you know, an elderly lady who's trying to give an advice to him. So you have to be very careful on that. But right now I don't see positive card at all. So maybe after 3 months something, you know, the energy changes, or maybe there is some better cards, you know. So you can always just send me the message. Maybe I will shuffle the card and try to give you positive answer. But right now I'm really sorry, I don't see any positive card. So sorry, Ankita. Okay, Shahi. Okay, Shahi Sahastya. And I and one other person request to be live video. Okay, yalla yo, मैम मेरा ब्रदर का नाम मनजिंदर सिंह है, उनका फॉर्म का कब तक उनका फ़ोन का कब तक बनेगा? दीप, मुझे आपका क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आ रहा है डियर. आप लिख रहे हैं मेरा ब्रदर का नाम मनजिंदर सिंह है, उनका फ़ोन का कब तक बनेगा? फ़ोन मीन्स मैं समझ नहीं पा रही हूँ. कैन यू प्लीज़ टेल मी व्हाट एग्जैक्टली डू यू मीन दीप? What is coming up next in my life? Sakshi, I'm taking your question. What is coming up in your life? What is coming next in your life? What are you manifesting, Sakshi? Let us see what is coming in your life. Well, your present card is Tower. Don't get scared looking at this card. This card doesn't mean that it is not a positive card. This card is definitely positive. It is saying that you're going through some little bit of tough seas, but it is for your own good sake, and you're going to come up with something really nice. So you can expect something nice, or maybe after a few months, after 3 months or something, you may be having some handsome Charlie around you. That's what your cards are saying. This is your future card. Okay, so keep me updated, Sakshi, about it. Okay, Kainath, thank you for joining. Pragati. Okay, Deepa Yadav is asking me government teacher job 2022 लगेगी कंफर्म मैम. ओके दीपा, आप जानना चाहते हैं कि आपकी टीचर की जॉब लगेगी क्या 2022 में, राइट? तो मैं आपका आंसर देखती हूँ. 1 सेकेंड. No, Deepa, I don't see any positive card right now. As of energies now, your cards are really very difficult to say. Maybe after 3 months or something you can try your luck again, but for timing your energies are very bad. Like, it's not very positive. Not bad, I shouldn't be using these words, but it's not very positive. Let us wait for some more time, and then you can call me. Either keep on coming live. Okay, don't lose hope. You can always keep on contacting me. Okay, now next we have Parina Magar. Will Ashish take stand for his relationship and marry me? Wow. Parina, I'm answering to your thing. Will Ashish take stand for this relationship and stand for me? You want to know whether Ashish is going to support you or not, right? Okay, let me see. Wow. Look at this wand card, which is really a fast moving energy. So definitely yes, first card is so positive. लो कर लो बात. दूसरा is magician. That is also 100% good positive card. परीना, आप तो आँख बंद करके सोच ही लो कि he is going to side you only. All the best and keep me updated about it, because आपके all 3 cards are really positive. Thank you. Now let me see who's next. Dinkle Joshi, hi, how are you? I hope all fine with you. Okay, Ankita, but do Mehul loves me? Ankita, what is this? Do Mehul love me? I will give you yes or no answer. Do I need to say something? I asked you a question. Now this is like, see, you've been having so many live sessions with me. Now if this card is says so, it's a bit difficult for timing. Maybe give him some more time and things may fall in place. Sorry, Ankita. Okay. Now, Parina, I've did. Dinkle, I've given. Varun. Varun Goyal, when I meet Akriti Singh, if yes. वरुण आप क्या पूछ रहे हो? When I meet Akriti Singh, if yes, when? अच्छा, will you meet Akriti? And if yes, when will you meet? क्या ना 2 in 1 question? One second. I'll just check. Will you meet Akriti? Yes. Definitely you will meet Akriti and things will go in a positive direction for you. All the best, Varun. Very positive card. Do keep me updated. Hi, Positive. Hi, Shilpa. Glad to see you here. Okay, Shivam Bhatt. Hi. How are you? Ma'am, currently I'm going through financial crisis. When will I get financially stable? Okay, Shivam. Let me just check your card. I wish you all the best. Dear, you're so cute. Let me just check. What are your energies saying? Dear, right now, Shivam, your cards are like, two kind of advices. Maybe you're too confused with two people advising you for the same thing. Maybe one you may be sounding it positive and other you may not be sounding it positive. So you must be too confused whose advice should you be following. But I think you should listen to the person who's on the positive side. Because see, when you have High Priestess, this is your first card. So High Priestess normally is black and white, negative and positive energies. So you are getting quite because it's connecting to your financials. So that's why you need to listen to your heart. And your second card is a death card, which doesn't mean that it's a bad card, but yes, it is going to be a new beginning very soon. Maybe till Feb end you may get something nice, but you have to be very careful. You have to not give it up. If not Feb, definitely things are going to move ahead, but give it a time. Okay, I hope I could answer your question, Shivam. All the best. Bye. Okay, Kajal Sharma. Hi Kajal, how are you? I'm glad to see you here. How's your dog? Parina. Okay, Kainat World. Kainat World is asking me, will I get a job before this year end? Kainat, I have already answered to your question. Smita, Angel Guardians, please. What guardians do you need? Okay, let me see. Smita, cards are very positive. Angels, everybody, like let it be any kind of angel, anybody, all are in your side. Things are so positive. Only thing you need to be really, really careful when you're going ahead. Maybe December, Jan, Feb. Around Feb, and you may get into some kind of a hassle, but after that, I don't see any issues. You're going to go great. Okay? Thank you. Oh, you're most welcome, Prachi, Sakshi, Parina. I have already answered. Shahi Sastya. I am. Okay, what is this? Shahi Sastya, I have already answered your question, right? What is your question, love guardians? Please, will I get married to the person I think or someone new? Okay, let us see this. This question is from Shahi. Let me see whether you should be. Let us see if you should carry on with this person or you should get into some other relationship. We are seeing your card. Oh my god. See your current card. Now see, like, it's just come out. It's so positive. You have to stick to your person, whomever you're carrying on or whomever you're friendly to. This is your first card. All positive card, yaar. That's so nice. लो कर लो बात. और क्या चाहिए आपको? You don't have to think about anybody else. You'll definitely get real positive answer from the person whom you are carrying on right now. So keep your energy strong. Keep your eyes, ears open for any kind of wider decisions if you need to take. Okay? Thank you. Juhija. Ma'am, I have posted my question in question box. Please help to advise. Okay, Juhi, I cannot see your answer here. I'll definitely see it and I will give you an advice. 100% I'll give you an advice. Okay. Parina Magar. Will Parina get married with Ashish next year? I have already answered, but okay, let me take this question. You're so cute. No. Will you get married next year? You are going to be sailing from rough water. See, these are all rough water. If you can see, these are rough water and you're going towards the smooth water. So definitely yes, you will be getting married to him. Maybe a little later, but yes, you will be getting married to him. That's for sure. Okay, that is what the current energies are saying. Okay, this is Riddhi Carla. I'm sorry, please excuse me if I'm pronouncing your name. I will call you all with your first name. Riddhi is asking what Shubham Verma feels for me. Okay, Riddhi, let us see what Shubham Verma thinks about you. See my new bracelet. How is it? Nice. Go. First card. He feels too good about you. Bina soche sambe, just trust him. He is a good person. Right now, energies are good. And things in between, after marriage or something, or after a few months, you may be having some kind of issue, but that is just teething issues, initial issues. Just ignore it. The person is absolutely right for you. Okay? So, all the best. Okay, Juhi is asking me what my husband Jaiprakash Thakur next step towards me. Okay, Juhi, let us take a guess. What is his next steps towards you? Let me just check. Guys, whoever has posted me the questions and who have given me DM, I'm going to answer to them right now only. I'm absolutely free today. So I am going to answer everybody today. So don't think that ma'am is going to run away or do anything. I'm here and whatever questions I have got, I'm going to answer to each and every one. Okay? So, one sec. Sorry, Juhi. Very sorry. What my husband Jaiprakash Thakur's next steps towards me. He is not thinking anything bad about you. He may be having some differences of opinion, but definitely not very negative. I think in case if things are what I feel from your question is like, in case if you may be having differences of opinion, any kind of thing which is not gelling among you two, you all can always sit and talk it out. I'm sure you will reach to a positive note and things will get better. And definitely he's not thinking anything negative about you. So all the best, Juhi. Keep me updated. Okay. The makeup toy Vadika, welcome. Shubham, I've already answered yours. Now Now let us see who's this. Vicious. Have I met my destined partner? Okay, Vivacious. That's nice name. One sec. Vivacious, I'm seeing your cards. Have I met my destined partner? Neha. 1 second. Shuffle, because long time I have not shuffled my card properly. You have met him and you have lost him. There is some confusion, definitely some kind of a confusion there going on, because your cards are very strange. Like, have I met my destined partner? It's saying yes, but then again you've got a Tower card, so it says that maybe you will not be very convinced with him. सो आई थिंक गिव इट अ टाइम, बी श्योर. बोलते ना पुराने लोग, ठोक बजा के देखना, समझना. सो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड his feelings, or try to spend more time with him to understand the person well. I think that would be the right advice for you, that spend more time and try to talk to him and understand his issues. Or in case if you have some differences of opinion, you really need to sit and talk it out with him, and things will fall in place. There are just bit of a confusion somewhere, but otherwise all things are good. All the best wishes. Okay, God's love, Spruti. Hi Spruti. How will my 2022 going to be? How's your 2022 going to be? Okay, let me ask my cards. How your 2022 going to be? Your 2022 is going to be superb. Maybe you will get some news connecting to overseas, or if you are planning to go somewhere out abroad, maybe your job, you may be getting something really positive, something wherever you're staying, out of that city or out of that country. It can be abroad also, or it can be somewhere out of India also, or out of Bombay, wherever you're residing, not in your place, something out of your outskirts of your place, wherever you're residing. So definitely positive cards. All the best, Purti. Okay, the makeup story with relationship guardians. Relationship guardian of Naresh and me. My name is Vedika. Okay, Vedika, let me see what is your relationship with Naresh. Your relationship cards are really nice. You have first card as a lover's card. So lover's card is basically a very good card, especially when you're asking a question related to love, guardians, or any kind of relationship. So this is basically a very good card. Your first card is very good, but your second card is Seven of Sword. So that says that you have to be very, very, very careful. There is some mischievous thing going on somewhere, or something going on, but that is temporary. It is not that Naresh is not good for you. No, it is nothing of that sort. The person, whomever you are, he or she is going around, is not going to betray, but you have to be very careful, to be open to understand each other's feeling. Third card of future card, you have Wheel of Fortune. Now Wheel of Fortune is such a card, like east, west, north, south. If you see everywhere, all this east, west, north, south, you're going to have good positive energies with him. So all the best. You have to just be little careful and understand each other, and things will fall in place. Okay, thank you. Ayush Pak, Manish Bhagi, 8 मिर्ची. नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या और कब तक आ सकता है? और आयुषी पात, अरे Ayushi, I'm not understanding your question only. Manish Bhagi, 8 milk, next step क्या और कब? I'm not understanding your question, Ayushi. I think you need to frame your question. I'm really not understanding what have you written. Please can you retype your question in a better simple way, or one just simple question with a full stop? I'm not understanding at all. I'm so sorry, but please send your question again, Ayushi. Pragati, लाइफ क्या होगा? लाइक अंडरस्टैंडिंग लव करियर, लाइक मैम ओके, फ्यूचर लाइफ कैसा होगा? अंडरस्टैंडिंग लव, यू वांट टू नो हाउ योर फ्यूचर लाइफ विल बी, दीपक? ओके, इन लव करियर, ओके, लेट अस सी हाउ योर फ्यूचर कार्ड इज सेइंग अबाउट यू. Well, you are going to be having two kind of options. Again, see, if you see, there is this lady and like she's having two swords in her hand. Sword is basically a very fast moving energy, but this is just a passing phase. So understanding and all is going to be really nice. Your career wise things are good. You will be earning so good that you will be having enough to, generosity will be there in you, so you'll try to help others, and some kind of good news is going to come. It's coming to you in a jet speed, so definitely you've got so many wand, so something is coming to you and you'll have a very good 2022. All the best and keep me updated about it. Okay. Dream catcher Jayesh, मैम फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स एंड बिग ब्रदर मेरे से बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, कब तक सब अच्छा होगा? ओके जयेश भाई, लेट अस सी व्हाट इज ड्रीम कैचर इज योर नेम एंड यू आर सेइंग फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स एंड बिग ब्रदर्स मेरे साथ बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, कब तक अच्छा होगा? ओके, नाउ आई विल गिव यू अ रेमेडी आल्सो विद दिस बिकॉज आई फाइंड दिस क्वेश्चन इज वेरी सेंसिटिव and I'll try to give you the best answer, and with some kind of a remedy. You do message me on my DM, I'll try to help you out. Don't worry, I won't charge. One second Jayesh, let me just see your card. Jayesh, you're saying there is some kind of misunderstanding with your brother is because of some female, like any female person in your family who maybe your brother is not liking, and you are not aware about it, that he is not liking the situation, and that's the reason he's saying that you're not understanding, so might as well I should stop talking to you. That's what the cards are saying. I am not saying. These are the cards which are the opinions. And like your brother is very happy-go-lucky person. He's like very content according to the card. Like he's like, his card is Hangman card. They say they're very divine and peace-loving people. They normally don't get angry, but there is some kind of an issue somewhere connecting to some female. So you need to work it out or understand who's that lady, or sit and tell him that, make him understand, because he assumes that you are knowing and you are not understanding his issues. So please make sure you talk to him, and if there is some female, try understanding why is he having differences of opinion with him. Okay, and you'll definitely get justice. Your brother will definitely talk to you. This is a justice card. If everything falls place, everything sab theek ho raha hai, then there's nothing to worry about. This card is basically saying that everything, if things are gone wrong, if it falls in place, everything will go good. So don't worry, sab theek hoga. Everything will fall in place. Only thing, sit with your brother and talk to him face to face and explain him, or try to understand what problem he has with you, and things will fall. Respect him, elder brother hai, karna hi hai. Okay, bye. I hope I could answer your question. do DM me in case you need any other help. I'll definitely try to help you out. Okay, you all have my numbers. You all can always check it out my Insta. I've given all details over there. Okay, Jesh, bye, all the best. Do keep me updated. Okay, now who is there? Okay, Deepa, you've sent me future life partner कैसा होगा, life understanding career से कैसा होगा. Here I've already answered. Kajal Sharma, when I meet my soulmate and when I get married. Okay, who's this? Kajal Sharma. When will I? Is this Kajal Sharma's question? When I meet my soulmate and when I get married. When will you meet your soulmate and will you get married? I'll try to, because see, this is again two questions. Now if I ask my cards, because even I'm confused, I don't know what to answer you, but I will see when will I meet my soulmate. I'll first see that. I'll take that as one question. Okay, give me 1 minute. Let me shuffle my cards. Guys, where are the hearts? I like something moving on my screen. I don't like such thakela, such dhila screen. Please, I want some hearts and anything going up here. You all know me now. Whoever has done their readings from me. Where are everybody gone? Yes, that's good. That's good. That's nice. Okay. So when will you meet your soulmate? Oh, I love those hearts. Soulmate you'll definitely meet in 2022 mid. 100% you'll meet your soulmate. When will you get married? That is another question. In that, if I said try to see in the same card, maybe September or Diwali tak you'll get something really positive and you may tie knots. All the best. Keep me updated about it. In case any issues, you can just DM me and I'll try to help you out. Okay? Bye. But you have to keep me updated. Okay. Now who's this? Sure, ma'am. Shivam. Ridhikaira. What Shubham Verma feels for me. Ridhikaira. What Shubham Verma feels for you. I've already answered your question. Now, which is this? Jai Prakash Thakur. Next moves towards Juhi Ja. She's asking Juhi Ja Thakur, next move towards me. Of what next move, darling? I'm not understanding your question. Sorry. अच्छा, आयुषी पाक, दिल लड़की, मनीष भागी, 8 मिर्च. नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या और कब तक आ सकता है फॉर आयुषी? Do you want to ask me, Ayushi, if there is a person called Manish and when will he be back to you? So I'll try and give you that, because you must be thinking, kya kar rahi hai ma'am? But I am really not understanding. Let me see if Manish is going to come back to you or not. Okay, I'll see that way, because it's really confusing. Wow, Ayushi, पॉजिटिव कार्ड. क्या बात है. लो, वर्ल्ड भी है आपके पास. वेरी गुड. आएगा डेफिनेटली 2022 एंड तक में. आई एम सेइंग एंड, नॉट स्टार्टिंग. एंड तक में थिंग्स आर गोइंग टू फॉल इन प्लेस एंड यू आर गोइंग टू बी हैप्पी. ओके, डू अपडेट मी अबाउट इट. बाय. काइना. Okay. I'm sorry, Kaina. I didn't know that you've just posted your question. वापस पूछो please. एक मिनट Kaina, let me see what was your question. Let me just scroll the screen. I'm sorry, Kaina. I had scrolled your screen on top. Kaina was here only somewhere. Let me just check your screen. काइना डियर, आप प्लीज़ वापस मुझे आपका क्वेश्चन भेज दीजिए. आई एम एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी फॉर दैट. ठीक है. काइना वर्ल्ड, नो मैम, आई जस्ट पोस्ट इट नाउ. ओके ओके, आप प्लीज़ पोस्ट कर दीजिए. काजल, व्हेन आई मीट माई सोलमेट. When will you meet your soulmate? I've already answered this. The makeup. My name is Vedika Sharma. Okay, the makeup story. You're saying my name is Vedika Sharma. The date of birth is 23rd June 1995. If I'm not mistaken, it can't be 1195. Guardians of Naresh and my relationship. You all will have to wait, makeup story. You will have to really wait for some time. Maybe by Feb, March, you will get something positive news regarding your relationship. Thank you so much. अच्छा, ड्रीम कैचर, मैं क्या देखूँ आपका? मेरा भी मैम, प्लीज़ डू माइंड. जी हाँ, आई जस्ट आंसर्ड योर्स. अभी हाल तो आपका आंसर मैंने दिया है. मैम, मेरे क्वेश्चन का भी आंसर दे. ओके. राधिका, नाउ दिस इज़ राधिका कायरा. मैम, मैं एक ही इंसान का क्वेश्चन बार बार ले रहे हो. किसका क्वेश्चन ले रही हूँ मैं? एक अभी आप मुझसे पूछिए रिधि. आई विल आंसर योर्स. हमारा भी ले लो. अरे ओके, नाउ लेट मी सी वेयर इट इज. मैम काजल, आई मेट माई सोलमेट. ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू आंसर द. ओके, जयेश का ऑल्सो आई हैव टेकन द क्वेश्चन. आई हैव प्रैक्टिकली आंसर टू एवरीबडी. Yes, now I'm going to take the questions. Thank you. He is not talking to me. Who is this Juija? See, you're telling me also thank you over here. And then you're telling me I'm not taking your question. I'm grateful you have taken my question. Okay, thank you. Ma'am, please मुझे भी reply करना. Yes, जिसके भी मेरे DM और जिसने भी मुझे DM करें, I'm 100% going to take those answers now. Okay, so I think I'll take those answers now, which is from Sehu. I got this job opportunity in another city. Should I go for it? Okay. Sehu, I'm answering to yours. This is your question. Now I'm giving all the answers to the person who have DM'd me for at least 5 minutes. I'll be giving them their answers. Okay. In case anybody want to post here, you all are most welcome to post. Okay, I got this job opportunity in another city. Should I go? Yes, you should definitely go, Sahu. Yeah, you have to go for this opportunity. Whatever you've got in another city, it will give you good benefits. Okay. Now, who's the Sehu? I have answered your question. You can go to the other city. Now, next is Rashila. R. Rahila Sethi. I'm answering to you. I've given an interview in Teleperformance Call Center as a quality analyst. इंटरव्यू क्लियर हो चुके हैं, बस ज्वाइनिंग डेट आनी उनकी तरफ से है. क्वेश्चन है, मेरी ज्वाइनिंग डेट कब आएगी? व्हेन विल आई ज्वाइन? ओके राइला, मैं आपका आंसर देख रही हूँ अभी. व्हेन विल बी द ज्वाइनिंग डेट? ओके. Your date is going to be very soon, say around 3 or 4 months. 3 months के अंदर ही definitely you're going to get positive news. Do update me about it. Okay. Kaina World, you have sent me a question. Can I ask a live question here? Sorry, I'm late to tell you this. Okay. Yes, you can ask me kindness world. I think I've already answered you. And who's this Prashant? And this one also I've answered. Then who is this Aishi ma'am? Your question I've already answered. Then who is this Tapadia Deepika? Mine also. When my love marriage is possible. Okay, Tapadia, we are seeing your card now. Okay. Till Setu I've answered. Now I'm seeing Tapadia's. When my love marriage is possible. Love marriage, you're in love. All the best. Seeing your card. First card is Tower card. Don't worry, Tower is a new beginning. So it's not that your cards are bad. It is scary. Things are too much, up and down. But things will fall in place. This is your first card. Your second card is Ace of Sword. So again, that is a good card. Very fast moving energy. So things are going to be really, once things are sorted, it will move at a jet speed. And things will fall in place. So all the best. I have answered to your question, Deepika. Riddhi Kaira ma'am, please save the life. Okay, I will save the life. Okay. Riddhi Kaira, because your cards are so positive and also energies. Oh, thank you so much, Riddhi. Okay, thank you so much. Dreamcatcher, answer my question. Dreamcatcher, let me see what question have you sent me. God's own love, Spruti, I've answered. Let me see. Sonal Gatati, General Guardians for this month. Okay. Sonal Gatati, I'm taking your question because so many people have given me DM. I've got more than 44 questions. Oh my god. Okay. Tapadia, you send me. Thanks a lot, ma'am. You're most welcome. You're most welcome. I'm also seeing things on my laptop to have, to answer to you. Also, I'm not leaving the screen and going on my DM. Okay. Just seeing. Sonal, I'm seeing your answer. Guardians you want for this month. Let me see what guardians do you get for this month. You will have to listen to a lady who's going to be right in decision, which will help you to make a better decision. Listen to a lady whom you are very close to. She will not go wrong in guiding you. 1 second. Okay, Sonal, I have given your answer. Now S. Joshi. Now who's this? Agarwal. Who's this? Agarwal Gayu. Agarwal Gayu, I'm answering to your question. Garima Mogotia. मेरे पर्सन कमाल की करंट फीलिंग क्या है मेरे लिए? आपके पर्सन कमल की करंट फीलिंग क्या है आपके लिए? आपको वो जानना है, राइट गरिमा? आई एम सीइंग योर कार्ड. 1 second. Dreamcatcher, wait, I will just see what is your question. I have it on my laptop. Let me just check it. Okay, Garima, what is the current feeling of Kamal? Garima, feelings are very positive, but there is some kind of a thing, some kind of a male person who's misguiding him. So be very careful. From Kamal's point of view, there is some person who's misguiding him, and due to that, the relationship may have some kind of an issue. But if he's overcoming that, definitely things will go in place. All the best, Garima. Okay. Now S. Joshi. Ma'am, not able to join your live session. Ma'am, please answer me as I am able to join the live session. When will I be able to buy my own house? Okay. So this is from Sweta Joshi. Sweta Joshi, I'm answering your thing. When will I able to buy my own house? This is everybody's dream now. Don't worry. Let me just check it out. Okay. 1 second. Very soon. Very, very, very soon. Maybe Feb tak you'll be getting something, at least some positive news connecting to your wish. So all the best and please keep me updated. Things are like winding up now and trying to fall in place. So all the best. 2022 is going to be really good for you. Okay. Now Tapadia answers Priyanka. Priyanka, what is your question? Till when will I shift there? Will I get a job at Ganpat University? Will I get a job in Ganpat University? This is from Priyanka. Okay, Priyanka, let me just see. I'm looking that side because my laptop is there. Okay, so I'm just reading the question from there and I'm answering here. So, please don't tell me thank you, because what happens again, the questions goes up. I will take all your thank yous and everything at the end of the session. Love you all. 1 second. I'm seeing भुला दिया ना किसका देख रही हूँ मैं. Okay, when will I get a job at Ganpat University? Will I get a job at Ganpat University? Let me see. Priyanka. Priyanka, definitely cards are very positive. Just take decision and things will fall in place. There is something which is going to come up. There'll be some lady, an elderly lady, who's going to be giving you advice. Please listen to her, and I'm sure you're going to get a positive note from this Ganpat University. All the best. Okay. No, Priyanka, I've answered yours. Now this is Varun. Thank you a lot for answering my question. Okay, you're most welcome, Varun. Now this is Deep. मैम, मेरे ब्रदर का नाम मनजिंदर सिंह है. उनका फ़ोन का कब तक बनेगा? अरे यार, व्हाट इज़ फ़ोन? FORN क्या होता है? एनीबडी कैन गाइड मी ऑन दिस? बच्चा, यू कैन जस्ट आस्क मी. मेरे यू ऑल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज़ द क्वेश्चन. मैम, मेरे ब्रदर का नाम मनजिंदर सिंह है. उनका फ़ोन का कब तक बनेगा? फॉर्म, आई एम रियली नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग. आप मुझसे हिंदी में ही पूछ लीजिए. आई एम सो सॉरी दीप, मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. उनका कब तक, लेकिन क्या कब तक बनेगा? आई जस्ट सी वेदर एनीथिंग कमिंग और नॉट. चलो, मैं वो तो देख ही सकती हूँ. आपके ब्रदर का कुछ कब तक बनेगा, बिकॉज मुझे वो FORN वर्ड नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. 1 सेकेंड. कुछ पॉजिटिव न्यूज़ आपके ब्रदर की जो भी रिलेटेड FORN है, कुछ भी पॉजिटिव न्यूज़ जो भी है, जो भी बनने का है, वो करीबन फेब तक आपको कुछ इंडिकेशंस आएंगे. ठीक है, थैंक यू. नाउ हरिता. ओके, थैंक यू हरिता, यू रिएक्टेड टू माई स्टोरी. डॉक्टर हर्षिल, आई लव यू हर्षिल. आई नो हु यू आर माई गुड फ्रेंड. प्रगति, मेरी फेवरेट. ओके, थैंक यू प्रगति. एनीबडी? स्वागत. Swagat, where is your question? Yes, I was waiting for your question. Swagat, you have written preparing for state government job exam. Results will be out in December. Will I be able to get this job? All the best. Let me just see your card. Long time I have not shuffled my card. Let me shuffle my card. Sorry, it had fallen down. Okay, let me see. Regarding Swagat, I'm seeing your card. Swagat, definitely you'll get something positive. You'll definitely get a job because your cards are really positive, and celebrations, and also definitely you're going to do celebrations when you get something for what you've been waiting. I can see some kind of celebration, some kind of news coming at a good speed. So definitely something good will come up. All the best and keep me updated. Okay, Swagat. Sakshi, I've already answered. Priyanka, wishes. Okay, ma'am is now underline storm. Okay, underline under undefined underscore storm. यार आप लोग का नाम ही लिख दिया करो. कॉज फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी नहीं आ रही है. ओके, लेट मी सी इज देयर एनी पॉजिटिव लक फॉर यू फॉर योर फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी अंडर undefined storm. I'm answering to you. Okay, 1 second. आएगी बहुत जल्दी आएगी. न्यू ईयर इज गोइंग टू बी गुड ईयर फॉर यू. ऑल द बेस्ट एंड कीप मी अपडेटेड. मे बी Jan end या Feb, mid Feb you will get something good. Do keep me updated about it. Your cards are good. All the best. Okay, now Yashika, you are amazing, ma'am. Anything about me? No specific question. Oh, I love you, Yashika. So sweet. Anything about you? I don't know what exactly should I tell you about it, but let me see, Yashika, how your 2022 will be. Okay, I'll see that way. Okay, Yashika. Yashika, 2002 beginning is really going to be good. After 4 months, see Jan, Feb, March, April. Around April, you've got energies where things will go little haywire. But May, June, July, your first 3 months are really good. But after that, your 2022 says that lots of ups and downs. So be very careful. All the very best. Dreamcatcher, now I'm going to see where is your question. Okay, because poor thing, I can see how many times you've said. Dreamcatcher. Thanks a lot. Okay. Dreamcatcher, I can't see your question. I'm just finding your question in my thing. Dreamcatcher, is it possible if you can post me your question here? No, I don't see any question from Dream Snatcher. Okay, Suman, I'm taking your question now. Suman is asking me for September 1990 financial reading. What is she financial reading? Any black magic? What is this, Suman? She's asking me any black magic. What is black magic? Suman, 1st September 1981 financial readings. Any black magic? I did not understand your question, Suman, but I don't believe in black magic and don't even think anything of black magic does exist. If your heart is pure, if you're thinking good, everything will fall in place. Whoever does anything, don't believe in all this crap. It doesn't exist. Yeah, all this thing is stupidity, and old people, olden days, they used to think, even if it exists, even if it is there, maybe I'm wrong, but you think positive, be positive, nothing can go wrong with you. I'm not understanding what exactly you're trying to say, but I'm just giving you an advice. Don't believe in this black magic, it's all bullshit. Okay, now what we have. My name is Dimple Rai Singhani. 8 September, Salim Sheikh. When Salim contact me for reconciliation. Okay. Okay. I am seeing I'm seeing Mehendi design. I'm seeing your मैं आपका आंसर दे रही हूँ. Will Salim contact you or reconciliation? Let me see. Will Salim contact you? Yes, 100% he is going to contact you. All the best, Mehendi. Hi ma'am, Kishan, current feeling for me. Saina Mato. Okay. Saina is asking me what is Kishan's current feeling for her. Okay, let us see what is his current feeling for you. Current feeling is like he's got two kind of options in his hand. So that says that you have to be very careful, because he already has something else going on in his mind. So give him a time, talk it out with him. If he has some other option, tell him bye bye. Okay, but be very diplomatic when you are handling such kind of situation. Okay, Saina Maithu, I answered you. Vivek Patil, I'm answering to your question now. Vivek Patil, when new girl will come in my life or relationship, her personality. Arey Baba, her personality. You want to know how will she be as a life partner to you? Okay. Dreamcatcher, don't worry. I am on my laptop. The moment I get your question, I will answer to your question. Don't worry. I'll make sure I find an idea. I'll answer you on maybe your direct message. But I'll definitely, I know you are there, but I just can't see your question here. Vivek, I'm answering to your question. How will her personality be? I can see very positive card, Vivek ji. Something really positive, nice cards are there. So she will come in your life very soon. 2022, yes, something nice is going to come. Okay, so all the best and do keep me updated. Okay, now we've seen it of Vivek also. Sweta Joshi, thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you, Sweta, for doing so many times. Thank you, thank you. Okay, now Nikita Ghai, will I clear GRF and NET exam in first attempt? Okay, that's very intelligent. Yeah, in first attempt you want to clear it. Let me see what are your cards saying. Your first two cards are very, very positive. You've got Sun, you've got Wand, so definitely you may clear your exam because cards are really, really positive. I will not say that you may but cards are positive. Try your best. All the best. Okay. Now who's there? Dreamcatcher, can you please answer my question? Yeah, I can't see your question only. Okay. Dreamcatcher, I think I can't see your question. You will need to, instead of sending me so many times question, you rather type it out and send it to me again because I can't see your question here. Khushi Gupta, Yash Ahuja, current feeling in separation and no contact situation. Okay, Khushi Gupta, I'm answering to your question. 1 second. Khushi Gupta. Khushi, definitely cards are very, very, very positive. Nothing can go wrong if you really sit and talk it out with him. Things will really reconcile. So make sure that you all are being together and giving a positive understanding to each other. Talk to each other and sort it out, and things will fall in place. You don't need to go in for a separation. All the best. Okay, Khushi Gupta, I've answered. Mindy Design, I've answered. Sweta, Sonal, Kapadia, Varun, okay. Joshi, Ronak, two others sent a request to be on a live video. Please come. You're most welcome. Kajal Sharma, I've already answered to your query to when will you meet your soulmate. Okay, chalo. Let me see again. What are your answers? Kajal Sharma, I'm answering to your question. When will you meet your soulmate? Very soon. Very soon. Positive card. Okay. Kajal, abhi de diya. I just answered your question. Pragati, after the live session, can I message you? Yeah, call, ma'am. You're most welcome, Pragati. You don't have to ask me. You've been any which ways calling me, and we are in touch. Okay, Ayushi ka question again aaya. What Manish Bhagi, 8 March 1993. Yeah, y'all don't give me your date of birth. Please feel for Ayushi. This is a proper question, Ayushi. Now, let me see what does he feel for you. सीधे ही पूछ लेते हैं ऐसे. I was really getting confused. Bacha. 1 second, let me just check. Ayushi, he is under the influence of some elderly lady, and if she is giving him advice, if he takes that advice, definitely things will fall in place. So keep your fingers crossed and wish you all the best. Ma'am Tapadia, wishes my music. लाइव सेशन सेव होगा क्या मैम? लाइव सेशन is going to be saved. I'm going to save this session and so you all can see it. I'm also going to be posting on YouTube, so in case you are missing out on your questions, you can always go to my YouTube link, that is Leena Thawani, thetarotreader.com. You just go there and you will get all the links. I'll put it after this session is over. I'll be putting it on my Insta story, the link and everything. Okay, yeah, so don't worry, if at all this video is saved, it will be there. Thank you, Ayushi. Okay, now whose question is there? Wishes. Okay, now I've got so many questions, but I'm little tired now. Yes, I've answered to practically everything. Okay, Rajni वशिश मैम, क्या फीलिंग है उनकी मेरे लिए? मेरा नाम रजनी शर्मा है. क्या अश्विनी कुमार शर्मा मुझे प्रपोज करेंगे? लेट मी सी. मैं आपका देख रही हूँ रजनी, वेदर ही इज गोइंग टू प्रपोज यू और नॉट. 1 second. I'm not very positive card. There is some kind of habit of what he's got really used to it. It will take time. Once he's out of it, he will work for it and maybe he will think of proposing, but there is no positive card what I can see for time being. Okay, so all the best. I was seeing this thing of मैम मैं रजनी शर्मा मैम, क्या हाँ रजनी, मैंने आपका आंसर दे दिया है. ओके, नाउ हुज आंसर इज देयर? प्लीज़ रिप्लाई माई आंसर मैम. जॉब कब तक लगेगी? अबाउट करियर. ओके, हु इज दिस? स्वस्ति शिवम. स्वस्ति शिवम, आई एम आंसरिंग टू योर क्वेश्चन. I don't see very fast, Swasti Shivam. It's going to take time, maybe Feb end. If you may get something positive, please work on it and you may get something good coming your way. But definitely nothing before that. All the best and keep me updated, Swasti. Now, Prasanna, I have given you manifesting marriage with a specific person. Will I succeed? Okay, let me see. I am answering to Prasanna. Prasanna, I've already answered, but let me just see. Ma'am, I'm manifesting marriage with a specific person. Will I succeed? Let me see yours. 1 second. I'm looking that side because my laptop is there. Okay. 100%. 100%. Your cards are so positive. So positive. And Prasanna, you will definitely succeed. Whoever is this current person, please don't leave him. Just stick to it and things will fall in place. Cards are really positive. Swasti Shivam, I just answered you. Okay, live session save होगा ना मैम? Yes, live session same होगा. Tapadya, when my love marriage is possible? I've already answered you. Okay, yes, I am mostly done with most of the questions now. I have 73 in my mailbox, but I think I've had more than an hour session and really tired. I'll just take one more last question, and which is from Khushi या Shahuja. Current feeling in separation and no contact situations. No contact situation. Khushi, I have not answered to your question. Okay, let me see what are the current energies saying. Khushi Gupta, I'm trying to answer to your question about Yash Shahuja's feeling. Things will go positive, 100% positive. Keep your fingers crossed, eyes, ear, everything open, and things will go in place. Okay, Yes, I have answered to most of you. So, Dr. Rashi, you have not given me your answer question. I have not received your question. मुझे एक क्वेश्चन करना है. हाँ, Dr. Rashi, what is your question? Ask me. What is your question? You can ask me and I will answer. Wow, I love this hearts going up. I feel so good, yeah. I hope y'all are enjoying the sessions. I really want to see those hearts going, and I hope I was really trying to help you out in whatever way I could. I really tried. Oh, that is so nice. So many hearts. Good, good, good. I'll be saving this video. I'm going to be posting it on YouTube. So you all are most welcome to go there and see it. I hope you all have had good question answer series. Anybody looking out for any kind of remedies, do DM me. I'll try if I can give it to you. Okay? So all the very best to all of y'all. Be in touch and keep replying to my sticker. I always keep on telling y'all that you have to reply to my stickers. Dr. Harshil, I have still not got anything. Okay, this is good. I hope y'all enjoyed the session as much as I enjoyed giving the answers. Okay, so guys, tada, see you. Wish you all the best for all the readings, and whoever has got any kind of things, I'm always accessible. Just call me on 7400181356 and my links will be there in my Insta. So most welcome, and I'm going to save this video and I will see you all next time. Thank you so much. Save it.